tubing for your highlight. Hello, this is Andy. Today, let me introduce a new style quartz bong. Dun, 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 dun. This is quartz bong with heart. Have 100 heart, maybe. We have 6 size 14 male and female. $18 male and female, and 10. Look at this. By the way, we have a new silicone glass cap for bong. Do you remember? This is Rick and Morty. Rick or Morty. This is a two parts, silicone and a glass base. Okay, if you like this site, please order this video. YouTube link. Welcome visit our online store. We are supplier bong water pipes and accessories. Thank you for your watching.